What's up, everybody? So right now I'm on my way to meet up with my buddy Travis. He's the owner of Double T Detailing. I'm gonna be shooting video for him today, so let's meet up with him and see what car we're working with. Let's go.
What's up, guys? I'm Travis from Double T Detailing. We're pulling up to the garage right now. About to do a paint correction and a ceramic coating on a 2019 Range Rover SVR.
Alright, well that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment down below. Holla at your koala. I'm out.